It's sunny and 75 today in West Palm Beach. It's gonna get up to 80 degrees, so let's go to the beach. The hardest decision today is picking out a bikini. I think I'm gonna wear this one. And now I'm making a quick stop at Publix because there's no such thing as a beach day in South Florida or in Florida in general without going to Publix first. I'm getting a pub sub because my sister convinced me, but it didn't take that much convincing. The best chips. Not a can, but it's all I can grab right now. Let's head to the beach.